What if the giant object at the center of our galaxy isn't a black hole at all? For decades, scientists believed they had the answer, but a growing idea suggests something even stranger may be hiding there.
At the heart of the Milky Way lies one of the most mysterious objects in the universe. It's called Sagittarius A star, and for years it has been considered a supermassive black hole. In fact, it's believed to contain over 4 million times the mass of our sun. But despite all the evidence, some physicists think we may have gotten one crucial detail wrong. What if Sagittarius A star only looks like a black hole? And what if something far more exotic is hiding in its place?
Sagittarius A star, often shortened to SGR A star, is located about 26,000 light-years from Earth. It's found at the exact center of our Milky Way galaxy. For decades, astronomers have watched stars racing around an invisible object in that region. These stars move at incredible speeds, as if they're orbiting something enormously massive, yet we can't directly see the object itself. In 2022, scientists released the first image of Sagittarius A star, showing a glowing ring of hot gas surrounding a dark center. The image looked exactly like what we'd expect from a black hole, or did it?
The strongest evidence comes from gravity. Astronomers tracked stars orbiting Sagittarius A star for years and discovered that millions of solar masses are packed into an incredibly tiny space. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the simplest explanation is a supermassive black hole. Its gravity controls the motion of nearby stars. The surrounding gas heats up to millions of degrees as it spirals inward, and the dark shadow seen in images appears to match black hole predictions. Because of this evidence, most scientists consider Sagittarius A star to be a black hole, but science is always open to questions, and that's where an alternative idea enters the picture.
Some researchers suggest Sagittarius A star could actually be a boson star. A boson star is a hypothetical object made from exotic particles called bosons. Unlike a black hole, it wouldn't have an event horizon, the invisible boundary beyond which nothing can escape. From a distance, a boson star could create nearly the same gravitational effects as a black hole. Stars would still orbit it, gas would still fall toward it, and telescopes might struggle to tell the difference. Other theories propose dense clusters of exotic matter or entirely new forms of physics that we haven't discovered yet. In other words, Sagittarius A star may be acting like a black hole without actually being one.
If Sagittarius A star isn't a black hole, the consequences would be enormous. It could mean our understanding of gravity is incomplete. It might reveal new particles that have never been observed before, and it could solve some of the biggest mysteries in physics, including what happens to information inside black holes. Scientists would need to rethink ideas that have shaped astronomy for decades. That's why researchers continue studying Sagittarius A star with increasingly powerful telescopes. The answer could change our understanding of the universe itself.
Here's something incredible. Even though Sagittarius A star contains over 4 million suns worth of mass, it's smaller than the orbit of Mercury around our sun. And despite being the monster at the center of our galaxy, it's surprisingly quiet compared to the giant black holes found in other galaxies. Right now, as you watch this video, our entire solar system is orbiting around it at roughly 500,000 miles per hour. So, is Sagittarius A star truly a black hole, or is it something even stranger? Let us know what you think in the comments. And if you enjoy exploring the mysteries of space, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-blowing discoveries.